करू चालू आपण, ते कधी येतील तेव्हा येईल. ओके. Okay. Today we will be studying NAND gate and NOR gate as universal gates. We have studied that NAND gate and NOR gate are universal gates. Why those are called as universal gates? Can you tell me?
Using this gate, we build new gates.
Using these gates only, we can build any other gate. Okay, using NAND only, we can build any other gate. Using NOR only, we can build any other gate. And therefore, NAND gate and NOR gate, they are called as universal gate. Okay, so today we are going to see how to build other gates using NAND and NOR gate. So we will start with the NAND gate. So we are going to build other gates using NAND gate. Okay. Now here in this diagram, what you can observe? Only one NAND gate is used and both the inputs of this NAND gate are connected together and it is taken out as a single input. Okay. So if you do this, then what will happen? The same input is applied. The same input is applied. कोण आलं रे? So, as I told you, a single gate is used in order to construct the NOT gate. Okay. So, here both the inputs are connected together and a single input terminal is taken out. Okay. So, this A is applied to both the inputs of the NAND gate. So, what will be the output of the NAND gate? Here you can observe y is equal to a dot b. Okay, so this is what is the Boolean expression of the NAND gate. Now, in our case, a is equal to b is equal to a. So what will be the next step? Y will be equal to a dot a. And what is a dot a? A dot a is equal to a itself. So you can observe from here. A dot a is equal to a itself. Okay. This property of Boolean algebra is used. And therefore, y will become a bar. So this is nothing but the equation of the NOT gate. What it is? It is the equation of the NOT gate. And therefore, this circuit which is connected here, this circuit, it will act as a NOT gate. It will act as a NOT gate. That means when you apply 0 at the input, you will get 1 at the output. And if you apply 1 at the input, you will get 0 at the output. So this will work as NOT gate or inverter. ओके, हे समजलं सगळ्यांना? बोला, स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या याचा. पुढे जायचं. पुढे जायचं का?
हो मॅम. हो मॅम.
हा, आता नेक्स्ट स्लाइड बघा. So here what we did, we have built AND gate using NAND gate. How many NAND gates we require here? 2 NAND gates we require. Okay. So actually what we did, hold on, Yash. Okay. So actually what we are doing here, the logic is that the NAND is followed by NOT. If you do this, you will get AND itself. Okay. That means if you are building A dot B bar and its whole bar, it will become A dot B only. So just what you have to do is you have to connect NOT gate using NAND gate at the output of the NAND gate. Okay, so these two NAND gates we are using. So this is simple NAND gate, and here we have used NAND gate as a NOT gate. Okay, so now if A and B are inputs of gate number 1, then output of gate number 1 will be A dot B bar. Okay, now this A dot B bar is applied as input to the NOT gate formed by using NAND gate. Okay, so this NOT gate will simply invert this. Okay, so what will be the output of this? Output of this will be A dot B bar whole bar. And bar of bar is nothing but the quantity itself. So therefore, we will get A dot B. And what is A dot B? A dot B is a equation of AND gate. AND gate. And hence, this circuit will work as AND gate. Okay. So hence, it will work as AND gate. ओके, हे लक्षात आलं का? स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या याचा. आलं का लक्षात? हा, आता ह्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घेतलाय का? तर पुढे जाते मी.
हो मॅम.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us move forward. So now we are going to build OR gate. OR gate using NAND gates. Now here what we have done, we have used 3 NAND gates. Okay, 2 of the input NAND gates, they are used as inverters or NOT gate, and outputs of this NOT gates are applied to third NAND gate. Okay, so let us see how it will work as OR gate. Let us call this as gate number 1, gate number 2, and gate number 3. Input to gate number 1 is A, and as this is a NOT gate, output of gate number 1 will be A bar. Okay. Similarly, input to gate number 2 is B. So gate number 2 is also a NOT gate, and therefore output of this will be B bar. Now what are the inputs of gate number 3? Inputs of gate number 3 are A bar and B bar. Okay. So now if the inputs are A bar, B bar, what will be the output of gate number 3? Let us call it as Y. So Y will be equal to this y will be equal to, what are the inputs? Inputs are a bar and b bar. So it will be a bar dot b bar and whole bar. Okay. Now here we are going to use De Morgan's theorem. So what De Morgan's theorem tells us? If a dot b bar is there, it can be written as a bar plus b bar. A bar plus b bar. Okay. Now, in our case, in place of a, there is a bar. In place of b, there is b bar. Okay. So, let us call a bar as x. Let us call b bar as y. Okay. So, what will be the next step then? It will be x dot y bar. And by using De Morgan's theorem, what you can write? You can write it as x bar dot y bar, x bar plus y bar. Okay. Now, in place of x, you can substitute its value, that is a bar. So, it will become a bar bar plus y will become b bar bar. Bar of bar is quantity itself. Therefore, it will become a and this will become b. So y will be equal to a plus b. And this equation is of OR gate. And hence, the circuit we have drawn will act as a OR gate. Okay. So are you clear about this? बोला. स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या, लिहून घ्या साइड बाय साइड. लिहिलात तर अभ्यास होत जाईल. झालंय का? जायचं पुढे?
येस मॅम.
हा. स्क्रीनशॉट घेतला का? घेतला? हा. ओके. Now we are going to build NOR gate. Okay. So building NOR gate is simple because already you know how to build OR gate. So this is your OR gate. Okay. And this OR gate must be followed by NOT gate. If you do this, you will get a NOR gate, obviously. Okay. So output of this gate is A bar. Output of this gate is B bar. Output of gate number 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So output of gate number 3 is A bar dot B bar whole bar. Okay. Which can be solved as we have seen earlier. It becomes A plus B. Okay. Now such a plus B is applied at the input of gate number 4. Now, what will be the output of gate number 4? As this is a NOT gate, it will be y will be equal to a plus b bar. Okay? Are you getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha. So this is what is NOR gate is. आता याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या म्हणजे मग पुढे जाऊ आपण. घेतला स्क्रीनशॉट?
येस मॅम.
येस मॅम.
हा. आता हे मी क्लिअर करते आणि वी विल गो टू नेक्स्ट. हा. आता इथे जरा तुम्हाला ब्लर डायग्राम दिसतीये पण त्याला काही इलाज नाही. हा. आणि इथे मी सगळं लिहिलेलं आहे बघा. याला नाव देऊ आपण. कसं सर्किट कनेक्टेड आहे बघा हे. हा तुमचा गेट नंबर 1, हा गेट नंबर 2, Gate number 3. Gate number 4. So there are 4 gates. Okay. So this is A and this is B. Okay. Now as A and B is applied to gate number 1, what will be the output of gate number 1? It will be A dot B bar. Okay. So this A dot B bar is applied as input to both of these gates. So it is applied here also and it is applied here also. Okay. So one of the inputs of G2 and G3 is A dot B bar. Now another input of G2 is A. Okay. And another input of G3 is B. Now let us see what is the output of G2. Output of G2 will be this quantity multiplied by this quantity and whole bar. Okay, that means it will become A dot B bar and whole bar. Okay. Similarly, output of gate number 3 will be B dot, another input is A dot B bar, and whole bar. So input of G4 will be A dot B bar whole bar, and another input is B dot A dot B bar whole bar. Now what will be the output of G4 then? What will be the output of G4? It will be this quantity multiplied by this quantity and its whole bar. Okay? हे एवढं कळलं का तुम्हाला?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us call this as X here. Let us call this as Y here. So what will be the output of this? Let us call it as Z. Z will be X dot Y whole bar. And this big equation we have to simplify. Okay. So that we will see. हे ह्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या बरं का, प्रत्येक गेटचा आउटपुट तुम्हाला लक्षात आला पाहिजे, त्यामुळे ह्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. घेतला?
येस मॅम.
हा मॅम. आता हे क्लिअर करते मी, पुढे जाऊ आपण. हा आता इथे मी सॉल्व्ह करून दाखवलंय बघा तुम्हाला. इथे मी तुम्हाला आता फक्त काय करते, स्पॉटलाइट वापरते, म्हणजे पुन्हा लिहित बसायची मला गरज नाही. हे बघा, G1 गेट नंबर 1 चा आउटपुट A डॉट B बार, गेट नंबर 2 चा आउटपुट A डॉट B बार चा बार, गेट नंबर 3 चा आउटपुट B डॉट A डॉट B बार ह्याचा बार, आणि गेट नंबर 4 चा आउटपुट जसं मी सांगितलं तसं की दिस क्वांटिटी मल्टिप्लाइड बाय दिस क्वांटिटी आणि त्याचा होल बार, म्हणजे A डॉट B बार बार डॉट B डॉट A डॉट B बार बार आणि याचा पूर्ण बार. ओके. मग आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय, आधी आपण आतल्या गोष्टी सिम्प्लिफाय करून घेऊ. काय वापरून सिम्प्लिफाय करायचंय, हे आपल्याला काय वापरायचं इथे, डी मॉर्गन्स थेरम. डी मॉर्गन्स थेरम हे A डॉट, हा समजा B आहे तुमचा, B आणि A डॉट B ह्याचा बार, म्हणजे मग इथं काय येणार तुमचं, A बार, ह्याला X म्हणा किंवा ह्याला X म्हणा, ह्याला Y म्हणा, असं जर ह्याला X आणि Y म्हटलं तुम्ही, तो X डॉट Y बार, सो इट विल बी X बार प्लस Y बार. ओके. तुमचं X काय आहे, A, सो इट विल बी A बार प्लस A डॉट B बार चा बार, कारण हा तुमचा Y आहे, A डॉट B बार, सो A डॉट B bar चा bar. Okay. Similarly here also let us call this as X, let us call this as Y. So this is X dot Y whole bar. So using De Morgan's theorem, it will become X bar plus Y bar. Okay. Now here X bar means B bar. And Y bar means A dot B bar चा bar. ओके. आता हे पुन्हा सिम्प्लिफाय करा. बारचा बार म्हणजे तो कॅन्सल होणार, ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी मिळणार तुम्हाला. सो हिअर यू विल गेट A bar प्लस A डॉट B डॉट B bar प्लस A डॉट B. ओके. इथे तुम्ही ब्रॅकेट टाकला तरी चालेल, कारण हे इथे डॉट आहे. ओके. आता आपल्याला काय करायचंय, once again we have to use De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so once again we have to use De Morgan's theorem. So let us consider this as x, let us consider this as y. So this is x dot y whole bar. So using De Morgan's theorem, it will be x bar plus y bar. Okay, now this is our x. That means A bar plus AB whole bar plus B bar plus AB whole bar. So this is what you will get. Okay, are you getting the point? Now hereafter again we are using De Morgan's theorem in this. Okay, suppose this is your x and suppose this is your y. So this is x plus y bar. So what is formula for x plus y bar? Can anybody tell me what is the formula for x plus y bar? It will be x bar dot y bar. So this formula we are going to use here. Okay, so we want to solve this equation, this particular bracket. Okay, so x bar means A bar चा bar dot AB, y म्हणजे AB आहे, y चा bar म्हणजे AB bar. So here you will get A bar bar dot A dot B bar plus similarly here you will get B bar bar dot AB bar. Okay, so what is A bar bar? It will be A. Okay, what is A dot B bar? Again you can use De Morgan's theorem and you can write it as A bar plus B bar plus B bar bar is B, and again into bracket you can write A dot B bar as A bar plus B bar. So this is A bar plus B bar, this is plus. Okay, this is plus. Now further you have to simplify the equation. So multiply this A by A bar plus A into B bar plus B into A bar plus B into B bar. Now what happens? A into A bar or B into B bar is 0. That means suppose if A is 0, A bar will be 1. What will be the result of multiplication? It will be 0. Now suppose if your A is 1, then your A bar will be 0. What will be the result of multiplication? It will be 0. So these are only possible two cases. Therefore A dot A bar or B dot B bar, that will be equal to 0. So therefore we can cancel these two. And finally what we get? We get A dot B bar plus B dot A bar, which is nothing but the Boolean expression for XOR gate. And we indicate XOR operation by plus circle. And hence the circuit we have drawn works as a XOR gate. हे जरासा डेरिवेशन मोठे आहे फक्त, बाकी सोपं आहे, तसं काही नाही. डी मॉर्गन्स थेरम वापरत जायचंय, बाकी काही नाहीये त्याच्यामध्ये. ओके, समजलं का? कुठली स्टेप नाही समजली ते विचारू शकताय तुम्ही. बोला, लिहून घ्या हे किंवा याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. एकदा घरी स्वतः डिराईव्ह करायचा प्रयत्न करा आणि काही शंका असेल तर उद्या विचारा क्लासमध्ये. चालेल? समजलं की नाही?
Yes, ma'am.
समजलं.
स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या त्याचा. घेतला, जाऊया पुढे. ओके, आता हे झालं सगळं कन्स्ट्रक्शन युजिंग नॅन्ड गेट झालं. आता तुम्ही एक्सऑर पर्यंत काढलं, एक्स नॉर काढू शकाल का? सांगा बरं, एक्स नॉर कसा काढणार? एक्स नॉर गेट पण असतो ना, तो कसा काढणार? हा तुमचा एक्सऑर आहे, याच्या पुढे नॉट गेट जोडायचा. काय जोडायचा? नॉट गेट. हे बघा इथे, नॉट गेट युजिंग नॅन्ड गेट. हा असा जोडला की हा तुमचा एक्स नॉर गेट झाला. दिस विल बी युअर एक्स नॉर गेट. पाहिजे तर ह्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढा. एक्स नॉर, एक्सक्लुझिव्ह नॉर. घ्या याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढून. घेतला? घेतला का?
हो.
पुढे जाऊ आता. Now we are going to construct the various gates using NOR gate. ओके, NOR गेटचं इक्वेशन तुम्हाला माहितीये की नाही? NOR गेट कसा काढतो आपण? OR गेट followed by bubble. Okay, so there are two inputs, A and B. This is your Y, and Boolean expression for NOR gate is A plus B bar. A plus B bar. Okay. So now we are going to build NOT gate using such a NOR gate. So it is very similar to NAND gate. What you have to do is just you have to connect the two inputs of single NOT gate with each other and take it as a single input. Okay, so this will be A. Similarly, this will be A. This also will be A. So what will be Y? Y will be A plus A bar, because here A is equal to B is equal to A. Therefore, it will be A plus A bar. And what is A plus A? A plus A is nothing but A always. It is A always. And therefore, it will be A bar. So Y becomes A bar. That means if you apply 0 here, you will be getting 1. If you apply 1 here, you will be getting 0. And therefore, this circuit will act as a NOT gate. Okay? चला याचा स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या काढून. पुढे जायचं. Okay. So now here what you can observe? Which gate is formed? NOR gate as a OR gate. Okay, so for this we are using two NOR gates. Okay, so this is NOR gate used as NOR gate only, and this second gate is NOR gate used as NOT gate. So if NOR gate is followed by NOT gate, we will get OR gate, obviously. Okay, so here you can observe, for gate number 1, A and B are the inputs. Output of the gate number 1, say it is Y1. And this Y1 will be equal to A plus B bar. Okay. Now this A plus B bar is applied as input to gate number 2. And this gate number 2 is acting as a NOT gate. So if input is y1, what will be y? Y will be y1 bar. Okay. So in place of y1, we can substitute a plus b bar and its bar. Bar of bar is again a original quantity, and therefore what we are getting is a plus b. And what is a plus b? A plus b is a Boolean expression of OR gate, and hence we can say that this circuit acts as OR gate. Okay, so take a screenshot of this. जायचं पुढे? काही शंका कोणाला?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, आता पुढचं गेट. ओके, आता इथे काय दिसतंय तुम्हाला? What you can observe, what is written over there?
NOR gate as AND gate.
NOR gate as AND gate. And here we have to use 3 NOR gates, 3. Okay, so gate number 1 and gate number 2, they are used as NOT gates. And gate number 3 is used as NOR gate only. Okay, so input A is applied to gate number 1. As it is NOT gate, it will invert this input. So let us call output of this gate number 1 as Y1. So Y1 will be A bar. Similarly, output of gate number 2 is Y2, and this Y2 will be B bar, inversion of input applied to it. So it will be B bar. Now this A bar and B bar is applied as input to gate number 3. Okay, so what will be the output of gate number 3 then? It will be Y is equal to, as this is NOR gate, it will be A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay, now here you can use De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so which De Morgan's theorem? A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So here you can consider A bar as X, B bar as Y, then it will be X plus Y bar. So what will be the output? X bar plus dot Y bar. So X bar is A bar. So A bar of bar dot B bar of bar. Again, you can see here bar of bar is nothing but quantity itself. So it will be A dot B. Okay. Now what is A dot B? A dot B is nothing but a Boolean expression of AND gate. And hence this circuit will work as AND gate. Okay. हे लक्षात आलं सगळ्यांच्या?
Yes, ma'am.
ह्याचा पण स्क्रीनशॉट घ्या. पुढे जायचं?
Yes, ma'am.
हा, आता पुढे काय लिहिलंय बघा, काय दिसतंय तुम्हाला? काय दिसतंय इथे सांगा बरं?
NOR gate as NAND gate.
NOR gate as NAND gate. आता NOR gate as AND gate आपण ऑलरेडी शिकलोय. So this is a NOR gate as AND gate. So in order to construct NAND gate, your AND gate must be followed by NOT gate. So that is what you have to do. Okay. So this is already your AND gate. Okay. So here I will write. So this whole is AND gate. We know this already. And this AND gate must be followed by NOT gate in order to form the NAND gate. Okay. So here once again you can derive the same thing. Y1 will be A bar, Y2 will be B bar. So here what you will get? Y3, and Y3 will be A bar plus B bar whole bar, and this will come out to be A dot B, and this A dot B is applied to input of fourth NOR gate, and it is acting as a NOT gate. So it will just invert Y3. And what is Y3? Y3 is nothing but A dot B. Therefore, Y will be equal to Y3 bar, which will be equal to A dot B bar. And hence, this is a Boolean expression of NAND gate. And therefore, this circuit will work as NAND gate. Okay. So take a screenshot of this. Getla?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to next. Now here we are building XOR gate by NOR gates. XOR gate by NOR gates. Okay. So let us see the outputs of various gates here. Okay. So it is very simple. Actually, this is A and B. Therefore, what will be the output of this? This will be A plus B bar, because this is a NOR gate. A plus B bar. And this A plus B bar is applied to both gate number 2 and gate number 3. Another input of gate number 2 is A. Another input of gate number 3 is B. And therefore, output of gate number 2 will be this quantity plus this quantity whole bar. So it will be A plus B bar, A plus B bar, whole bar, whole bar. Similarly, here you will get B plus A plus B bar and whole bar. Okay. So this is the input, one of the input of gate number 4. And this is one of the input of gate number 4. Another input of gate number 4. Now, what will be the output of gate number 4?